Hi, I'm Carrie Foreman of Muskoka Mornings, and here with our No Yolking Egg White Protein Powder. We're going to be adding this to our golden latte recipe today. So here we are. So we have some nice ginger. This was actually grown in Ontario. So today we're going to be working with the powdered version, and I'm going to show you a different sweetener that you can use with your beverages. Now for this latte, we use the oat milk, and there's a few different versions. This one I've just picked up has actually quinoa in it as well, which gives you a little further with the protein in that grain. Just saw it, thought it was new, very nice. Great if you have any nut allergies. For this particular recipe, more milk, less of the water than we do with our other lattes like the dandy latte or our matcha latte, even the hot chocolate. So we're going to heat up 2 cups of our oat milk into the blender. Now I've got the pre-mixed spices, but we also have the recipe on our website if you want to do each of your powders individually, your cinnamon, your ginger, your turmeric. This one's just nicely blended, ready to go. I'm going to do a nice heaping. Teaspoon or a tablespoon works. We're going to work with 2 tablespoons of our egg white protein powder. To sweeten this one, we're going to change it up from Lacanto or Stevia, like erythritol, monk fruit sweeteners, and we're going to put in 3 dates. The dates give it a nice sweetness, adds a little bit of fiber to your drink as well. So I always like to add a bit of the MCT oil, fat for fuel, good for the brain, detoxifies. So we're going to just drop that in. And 1/4 cup of hot boiling water. Okay, and now to blend. Now this is good for 2 servings. We're doing a rather large serving this time. Look at how creamy and dreamy that is. So comforting.